The second human case of bird flu confirmed in Michigan. Second human case of bird flu linked to dairy cows found in Michigan. Take a listen. First it was Texas, now it's Michigan. You haven't seen anything yet. Watch this.
Back here in the U.S. tonight, the CDC confirming a second human case of bird flu in this country. The first case in Texas, the second case in Michigan. Here's ABC's Alex Perez.
And what's that date? May 22nd, 2024. And the CDC is now warning of more U.S. bird flu cases and the second human infected by cows. It's coming, fear-mongering. And that's why Hillary writes in the chat, the greatest case of misinformation and disinformation during the pandemic were the blatant lies peddled by WHO and others that the actual inoculation were effective. 70 Americans in one state are now being monitored. Not only in America. Look now at the land down under, Australia. Reports first human avian flu infection, May 22nd, 2024. Fear-mongering. Because they need the nations to sign on. Fear-mongering. Take a listen here, friends.
A Victorian child is confirmed to be the first human case of a rare and dangerous bird flu in Australia. As Mimi Becker explains, an egg farm in Victoria detected a different strain of the virus and is now in quarantine.
CSIRO has confirmed the strain of bird flu to be the H7N7, which is different to the current global outbreak. It's understood around 400,000 chickens have had to be put down after bird flu was detected at an egg farm near Meredith in the west of Victoria. Specialist teams have been seen at that property dressed in hazmat suits conducting more testing there. There is, of course, strict quarantine measures in place around that property and in other farms in the area, as there is a high possibility it may have already spread. But
did I hear the word quarantine? Did I hear the word quarantine? For some people, when they hear of pestilences, one more virus, and quarantine, they have what we call post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. Those of you who are live in the chat, just remind the rest of us. The trauma that people went through during the pandemic. I'll start you off. Many people could not visit their sick and dying loved ones in hospitals, in nursing homes. I'll give you one more. I need your comments. Churches were closed. Businesses closed. You were forced to put a swab up your nostrils. You couldn't travel. PTSD. Did I hear quarantine? And friends, to get their agenda, they are going to be more diabolical, more satanic, more sinister. We haven't seen anything yet. The devil is putting out all the stops. Watch this. And now we're being told scientists here in America are manufacturing the next pestilence pandemic. Not my words. Legacy Media is saying that, not my words. It's there. And now states, we're being told, must get ready with bird flu testing kits. All right, here's where I'm going to warn you now. Reuters, US CDC says bird flu risk is low, but asks states to be ready with testing. Friends, I'm going to warn you one more time. Be aware of the testing kits.